Good morning, children. My name is Jigna Damani and I welcome you all to my EVS class. Our topic which we are studying right now is plants. We studied what things plants need to grow. Then we studied how does the plant grow. Then we studied about the different parts of the plant. Yes or no? See, different parts of the plant. So, this part below the ground, this part is known as the roots. Then we have the stem. Then these are the branches. And on the branches we have leaves. Then we have the flowers, fruits and vegetables. So, these are the different parts of the plant. And we are studying about flowers. Right now we are studying about flowers. We have already seen in the last class teacher taught you about few flowers. Yes, flowers are very, very beautiful. They have a very, very sweet smell. And they are very, very colorful also. Yes or no? They are very pretty and beautiful. And we can gift flowers to somebody. So let's start with the revision of what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied the first flower, the king of all the flowers, rose. Rose is the king of all the flowers. And we get roses in different colors. This is red rose. Then we get red, yellow, orange, white, pink, peach, dark red, pinkish color. Then a light pink color. There are different colors. And apart from this, we also have blue, black and green rose which are very rare. But ye hote hai. We get these flowers. Then we studied the national flower of India. And which is the national flower of India? Yes, it is lotus. Lotus grows in the pond. वो pond में उगता है मतलब it grows in the water. And rose grows in the shrub. Rose grows on the shrub. This lotus grows in the pond and it cannot sink. वो डूब नहीं जाता, वो ऊपर float करते रहता है. So this is a pink lotus. But apart from the pink lotus, we also get white lotus, blue lotus, there are yellow lotus. Yes or no? But these are the majority lotus, the color of the lotus is pink. And you can see here, there is a pond which is full of the flower, full of lotus flower. And each lotus, the stem of these plant is also used for making some food item. And this is very, very beautiful. And this flower is offered to the goddess also. Then next we studied about sunflower. Sunflower is a flower which always looks at the sun. Sun जिस भी direction में जाएगा, sunflower उसी direction में उसको देखेगा. And when the sun sets, the flower also looks down. When again in the morning when the sun rises, the sunflower looks at the sun. And there's a brown color part in the middle of the sunflower in which there are many seeds. And these seeds are crushed to make the sunflower oil which is used for cooking. And there are lots and lots of yellow color petals around this brown part, the seeds of the sunflower. There are lots and lots of yellow color petals. Next we studied about the shoe flower or the hibiscus. Shoe flower has 5 petals. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there's this stem coming out which has lots and lots of seeds over here. And this flower is Lord Ganesha's favorite flower. ये उनको चढ़ता है. जब भी हम लोग टेम्पल जाते हैं, we take this flower for Lord Ganesha. It is his favorite flower. And shoe flower is also available in different colors. Light pink, dark pink, yellow, white. You can see this. These are also the same flower. but this is not red in color, but majority time shoe flower is available in red color. Next we studied was marigold. Marigold is this orange and yellow. It is available in orange and yellow color, and this flower is used to make toran and garland. Garland मतलब फूलों की माला, तोरण. When we have the festival हम लोग तोरण लगाते हैं. This flower is used for that, and the name of this flower is marigold. Then is the lily. Lily is always white in color, and lily has a very very good smell. और आपको पता है ये बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव भी होता है, बहुत ही महंगा फ्लावर है. And it is used to make bouquets. It is used to make oil and room fresheners also. The next is daisy. Daisy flower is used to make bouquets. So there are many colors available in daisy. So you can see pink, light pink, dark pink, yellow, red, orange, skin color. See behind the backside. So these flowers are used to make bouquets. So these are the daisy, colorful daisy flowers. And today our new flower, we'll start with that. This is periwinkle. The name of this flower is periwinkle. Periwinkle you get in 3 colors: pink, white and purple. Majority time you can see only the pink periwinkle. Pink periwinkle, white periwinkle and purple periwinkle. Now periwinkle flower आपको हमेशा उगते हैं. Whenever you plant a periwinkle, वो हमेशा वो प्लांट पे आते ही रहते हैं. आप फ्लावर्स निकाल लोगे तो भी वो नए फ्लावर्स वहां पे ग्रो करेंगे, बिकॉज इसका नाम ही वैसा है. अगर हिंदी में आपको उसका नाम पता है तो इट इज सदाफूल. लाइक एवरी टाइम वो फ्लावर वहां पे उगते ही रहता है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल फ्लावर. द पेटल्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी डेलिकेट. थिक नहीं होते, बहुत ही पतला पेटल होता है. एंड मैनी टाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन, जहां पे आप गार्डन में जाते हो तो साइड पे बहुत सारे पेरिविंकल के प्लांट्स होते हैं. एंड अवर नेक्स्ट फ्लावर विल स्टडी इज द एस्टर फ्लावर. एस्टर फ्लावर पता है, जब भी किसी के घर पे हल्दी कुमकुम का फंक्शन होता है तो वो लोग हमें एक फ्लावर देते हैं. यस, दिस इज दैट फ्लावर. और इसका इंग्लिश नाम है एस्टर फ्लावर. एंड एस्टर फ्लावर यू गेट इन पिंक, purple, white, light pink, purple, bluish color sometimes, and it also has many petals. जो उसके petals होते हैं they are very thin, और वो बहुत सारे petals, एक 5 या 6 petals नहीं होते. It has lots and lots of petals. And this flower is also used to make garlands also. Garland मतलब फूलों का हार. Then the next is tulips. Tulip is like a rose flower only, but वो rose जैसा खुला हुआ नहीं रहता है. It is always closed like a bud. And tulips are very very beautiful, and tulips are used to make bouquets. Tulips are like the rose flower only. It is also available in many different colors. You can see yellow, pink, dark pink, blackish color, maroon. Then there are white tulips. There are so many different color tulips, and there are many places जहाँ पे सिर्फ ट्यूलिप के गार्डन्स होते हैं, एंड पूरे गार्डन में सिर्फ ट्यूलिप फ्लावर्स उगते हैं. एंड द प्लेस इज वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, द ट्यूलिप गार्डन. एंड लास्ट टाइम वी स्टडीड व्हाट थिंग्स वी मेक फ्रॉम दिस. अगेन दिस इज अ रिविजन. वी मेक तोरण. Yes, we have, see, this is marigold flower only. Yellow and orange marigold flower. Then we have the flower vase decoration. See, these are the roses. These are the pink roses. These are orchid flowers. ये थोड़ा अलग है, but these are orchid flowers. ये भी flower vase decoration है. Then we have the rangoli flower decoration. This is a rangoli, flower rangoli. Then we have the garland. This is garland मतलब फूलों की माला. Then this is called a wreath, flower wreath, which is used for decoration. Then these are some other things which we make from the flowers. We make incense stick. अगरबत्ती को क्या कहते हैं? Incense sticks. We have perfume. We have juices, rose sharbat. Then we have the sunflower oil. Apart from this, from the rose we make sharbat. We also make gulkand. We also make gulab jal, which is very, very useful when it is very, very hot. Then there are rose water drops also, which we put in the eyes. So after studying all these flowers, we have to study the names of all these flowers. So this is your home assignment. Flowers. You are going to write down all the names of the flowers. Teacher will read out. Today is 2nd of September and today is Wednesday. So you are going to write down the date and the day, which is very, very important. The heading, flowers. टीचर ने कैसे हेडिंग कॉलम में लिखा है वैसे ही आप हेडिंग लाइंस में नहीं लिखेंगे. देन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लाइन यू विल स्टार्ट द नेम्स ऑफ ऑल द फ्लावर्स. रोज, लोटस, सनफ्लावर, शू फ्लावर और हिबिस्कस, मैरीगोल्ड, लिली, डेजी, पेरिविंकल, एस्टर and tulip. Then on the plain side you are going to draw these flowers. आपको draw करना है. आप draw कर सकते हो या फिर आप उसके pictures भी stick कर सकते हो. अभी ये सब इतने हम लोग ने 10 लिखे हैं, बट अगर आपको 10 के 10 फ्लावर्स नहीं मिलते, नो प्रॉब्लम, जितने आते हैं आप उतने स्टिक करो या फिर आप इसमें से 2 या 3 भी ड्रॉ करोगे तो भी चलेगा. You need not draw all the 10 or you need not stick all the 10 flowers. आपको 2 या 3 मिलेंगे तो भी चलेगा. आप 2 या 3 ड्रॉ करोगे then also it is okay. ड्रॉ करो अच्छे से, then you color it nicely and then click the photograph and send it to me. Okay, today is Wednesday. Do it nicely and send it to me tomorrow. कल आप भेज सकते हो. Draw it nicely, color it, click the photograph and send it to me. So my dear children, our flower topic is over. Study nicely, study the names of all the flowers. Teacher misses you a lot. Thank you my dear children. You're going to stay home and stay safe. Take care of yourself and your mama papa also. Bye bye. Teacher loves you a lot.